This is a really, really good way to start the video, you guys. We're finally here, everything's all moved in, and I have my own house. This is amazing. Oh my god, I cannot go over that I'm finally here. I survived. I survived the ups and downs again. Honest to God, you guys, we're just gonna have a chat this video. Have a chat to see what the future of the channel is. Sorry about that. Would you stay? You better stay, because that phone's really expensive. But yeah, honestly, guys, I cannot go over. I'm finally here. I'm gonna be repeating myself a ton in this video, so there'll be a count of how many things I'm gonna be saying repeatedly on the screen. So keep track of that. Yeah. And if I have made any mistakes, let me know in the comments below. I'm just trying to figure out where I'm putting stuff, because as I'm falling asleep, I don't want to be falling asleep like my room like this. It's too stressful for me. It's really too stressful for me. So hang on, guys. So this is the living room, and this is the kitchen. As you can see, it's pretty messy at the moment, but that'll be tidied up very soon. So yeah, this is where I'm going to be chilling out. And also, out here is the balcony, so I'm not going to show you. It's not even, I need to get keys. But yeah, so that's the new location where we're going to be spraying the cars. The cars, if you're wondering, are all safe and sound, they're fine. I've checked. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Lego, by the way, as well. Here they are, all here. All the spray paints, the alcohol. Whoa, that's quite strong. I'm going to close that actually. Yeah, it's quite strong in there. But yeah, I'm going to be going back to the gym as well at some point. As just a personal thing, it's something I do, as you know. So what else do we need to do? You know, we need to look for the tripod. Where did I put that? Where did I put that? Hang on. I'm trying to remember where I put the tripod to make it easier for myself while I'm in this video. Yeah, unfortunately, I couldn't really find the tripod, but the future of the channel. Let's chat about that. So, the future of the channel is we're going to be making a ton of content, you guys, and I feel that now that I have my own space, I can double down as much as I want of the content, and I am so excited about that, by the way. I've been waiting for this for a year. Well, this flat I've been waiting for about a year. The original plan was 4 weeks. Man, like, that situation I was in, it was just really, really getting me down. It was affecting my mental health. Nothing was working for me. Absolutely nothing. So that's when everybody that supported me throughout this started really pressuring the upper management to move me into this flat. Now this flat is my first flat. I'm not going to be staying here forever, by the way. I do have other plans. And honest to God, everybody that's helped, thank you so much. I just want to say this right now, that I may sound ungrateful at times, but this is just me becoming my own person and becoming really independent, and I just want to have my own space, and I finally have it. I need to keep my voice down because I don't know if anybody's upstairs sleeping. There's neighbours I'm talking about. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. I know that you're getting to know me, you're getting to know my content, but it's like I've said in previous videos, I believe that YouTube is not dead. Now, out of my research, that's what's most popular at the moment. Not most popular, but that, don't quote me on it. Don't, like, take me for granted. I'm just saying, like, from what I've heard. People think that YouTube's dead. It's not really. You see other small channels grow out of nowhere. And I've seen it. Not personally, just by watching other YouTubers that I follow. Seeing them grow. It's not, YouTube's not dead. My channel is slowly but surely growing. I've been watching the data. I've been watching you guys interacting with my videos. I know I'm beginning to work out what you guys, how you interact with my channel. And I've made the changes. My videos have been way too long for you at the very start, and I understand that because you're getting to know me, which is why I lowered the videos to maybe 2 to 3 minutes. I over delivered for you for my car content. And until you get to know me a bit more, I'll make the videos a lot longer. Then that's definitely going to happen. In the meantime, guys, I will see you in the next first ever car video in my new flat. See you in the next one. Oh, and room/HQ. Just thought we'd add that there.